Hey everybody, it's Sam from The Verge. I'm here with the new iPhone XR. This is a super strange phone. I think it's really interesting. Design-wise, it's a hybrid of like the iPhone 8 with this glass back and the iPhone X with this notch screen edge to edge. It's got a bunch of the specs of the iPhone XS and it's missing a whole bunch of stuff too. So let's go through it real quick. The iPhone XR has a glass back, an aluminum frame, 7000 series aluminum. On the front is a 6.1-inch LCD display with 326 pixels per inch. It looks a lot like the iPhone X display, curved corners and a notch at the top, but that is an LCD. If you get close, you can see some of the anti-aliasing they're doing. It has the same A12 Bionic chip as the new iPhone XS. It has the same wide-angle camera on the back as the XS. It's only a single camera though. On the front, it's got the same true-depth face detection system and selfie camera as the XS. So really what you're looking at is a lot of the design of the old iPhone 8 with the glass back, the aluminum frame, with the front design of the iPhone X with the notch screen, and a bunch of the features of the iPhone 8 spec bumped. So it's a really strange hybrid of a phone. I think it's really interesting. It comes in all these colors. You got yellow, coral, blue. There's a black one, a white one, and a product red one as well. I'm not a big fan of the yellow. It's the product red one though that I think is absolutely the best. There's been a mob scene around it the entire time we've been here. It's just a really striking phone. And then obviously you've got black and white, same as ever. I think these colors are going to sell the phone over the iPhone XS for a lot of people. Camera on the new iPhone XR is 12 megapixel single lens on the back, 7 megapixel selfie camera with a true depth system on the front. This is pretty remarkable. They can do portrait mode with a single lens. Last year, only the Plus phones and the 10 could do portrait mode with dual cameras. Obviously, Google can do portrait mode with a single lens on the Pixel 2. Apple's figured out how to do it with a single lens on the XR. This camera is also faster. You're doing something called Smart HDR, which takes 4 frames, a number of interframes, and a long exposure to do better HDR photography using this camera system. That stuff is very interesting. Obviously, we've got to test it all out. Most notably about the LCD screen is the lack of 3D touch. So every iPhone since the 6S has had 3D touch, where you squeeze the display. That is simply not here. We don't know why Apple took it out. We're going to ask them. The iPhone XS has 3D touch. The iPhone 7 has 3D touch. The iPhone 8 has 3D touch. Those are all still on sale, but the XR absolutely does not have it. That is the biggest omission from this phone compared to the XS. I just like holding these phones. I think the colors are absolutely beautiful. Obviously, the big question everybody always has with phones like this is battery life. Apple says it at 90 minutes more than the iPhone 8 Plus did. Everybody also always wants to know about price. These are going to start at $749, which is kind of a remarkable price, and they're going to go up to 256 gigs of storage. The pricing will go up accordingly from there. This thing is it's making sounds to me. Hey everybody, we've got way more from the iPhone event today. Dieter played with the iPhone XS and the Apple Watch Series 4. That's on the YouTube page, and there's a ton more coverage on TheVerge.com.